Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers today to show you a great new trailer. This is the Coachmen Apex. It's the Nano model. The Nanos are really lightweight. There's a lot to them. And this is called the 213 RDS and it's got something you'll really like. Follow me. Now this trailer is something everybody seeks, is a rear lounge. There's a lot of people that want the rear lounge because we have the big windows in the back and these are open wide. There's a lot of ventilation. So if you're at a campsite and you've got a camper on this side and you've got a camper on that side, what's out here? Maybe the lake or the sea or the view of the mountain. You could sit here in the morning and drink your coffee and enjoy the fresh air and see the sights. This is a really popular design. Problem is rear lounges are usually very long and kind of heavy. Some of them are really heavy. So they've done a really good job in this trailer of providing a rear lounge in a pretty short length. Also, there's a couch here that folds out and makes a bed, and that makes a bed. So this rig here can be a 6-sleeper very easily. It's got great counter space. We have a microwave down here, a 2-burner stove. This doesn't have the big oven combo because it's a Nano, and Nanos weigh a lot less. In fact, I'll tell you right now, this whole trailer only has a dry weight of 3,800 pounds. Couple that, the fact with this is a tandem axle, it's actually got very good capacity, but very lightweight. So you can take it with your light tow vehicle and still have a lot of stuff. So there's some storage there, satellite and cable hookups, overhead storage, big sink, full-size fridge and freezer. And then over here, we got a beautiful bedroom. And now you're seeing the front window. For years we haven't seen any trailers with front windows, and now we've got it again. It changes the whole aspect of what it's like to be in this part of the trailer. Also, a little detail, they put an angle on these cabinets so it's really easy to get in and reach the top of the bed for when you're making it and when you're getting in and out. Let's take a quick look in here. Let me swing this around for you. It's got a dynamite bathroom. It's a garden style shower with a skylight. It's very light and bright. If you have to be in here for a little while, it won't make you blue at all. It's a really nice design. Okay, let's go see the outside real quick. All right. So now the thing about a Nano, and people who've watched very many of my videos know that I really love their construction, and there's two main reasons why. One, the roof is a solid core vacuum bonded roof. It isn't a truss roof with dead airspace. It's made out of block polystyrene, just like what they float a fishing dock on. That material is closed cell. It can't get wet. Water doesn't go into it. And so if you were to ever damage your roof, water can get it wet, but it can't go in and run around in there and make everything wet. That's a big deal. The other thing is this sidewall is very durable because it has a special material called Asdel that's waterproof. It's not biodegradable. Most fiberglass and aluminum trailers are still about 80% wood. So getting that wood material out of there gives us a lot longer life, especially if you were to get a leak. Look at the storage area down here. Big storage area. You can put a lot of stuff in there. As we come around the front, we're seeing a nice rake design for aerodynamics and this lovely enclosure. This really helps keep the front end of the trailer carefree. It's easy to maintain this, keep it sealed, and it prevents it from leaking if you do it right. Okay, now, another thing that I really like, it's just a small detail. Your wastewater systems on this are forward of the axles instead of behind the axles. With this particular trailer, it would be very difficult for you to damage those because you would have to back over something to hit them or drive over something with your truck. It's very difficult to hurt those. So those are all some little details. There's a lot more to tell you about this trailer. I'd love to be the guy to tell you. Feel free to give me a call. It's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.